Hey, what's up guys, Simran here, back again with another video, and in this video, let's unbox the multi-purpose tripod from Digitek, that is the Digitek DTR 520BH. I recommend you to watch this video till the end, and let's begin. Inside the box, we get a back for the tripod, the tripod itself, a connector which helps you to transform the tripod into a monopod, and an Allen key which is useful for loosening and tightening of the screws. The price of this tripod is around 5500 Indian rupees. The best buy links are given in the description of the video. This is one of the cheapest tripods in the market because the other tripod which has the same features will cost you more than 10,000 Indian rupees. This tripod can be used for DSLRs or smartphones. The number one thing that I like about this tripod is its multi-purpose head. It allows you to take overhead shots. Overhead shots are the shots that are taken from the top, and these shots are very useful for shooting photos or videos of any product. Also, you can use it for shooting cooking videos in the kitchen. Let's take a look at the sample. Also, you can use this tripod for low-level shooting of videos or photos. This tripod can be rotated up to 360 degrees. Since the tripod has fluid head, you can tilt it as per your requirement. Also, the entire head of the tripod is detachable. You can rotate the knobs to extend the legs. And also, you can extend the head section of the tripod. Overall, the tripod can be extended up to a maximum height of 6 feet, and it can handle a load of 7 kgs. This tripod comes with the rubberized legs, which gives you a very good grip on the floor. One of the legs of this tripod is detachable, which can be used as a monopod. This is very useful for someone who is into vlogging. If you're looking to start your journey on YouTube, or photography or videography, I highly recommend you to try this tripod. It is worth the money. So this was about the unboxing and the overview of the Digitek DTR 520BH. If you have any queries, feel free to ask them in the comments down below. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.